Challenging the Uganda Registration Bureau for denying Sexual Minorities Uganda to register as an organization or a company limited by guarantee. So the denial was based on Section 145 of the Penal Code Act, that we are promoting an illegality of the rights of LGBT persons. So we are challenging that today here at the court, saying that the refusal was and under the Constitution we have a right to assemble, we have our rights to freedom of association. So we are saying that that denial was abusing our rights. So we are here to challenge that. We are represented by Ladasius Rwakafuzi, and we are partnering with the Human Rights Awareness and Promotion Forum to bring this case. The Constitution of Uganda guarantees us the right to assemble, to associate, and to operate like any other group. So if we don't get a fair judgment, we shall definitely appeal it. But I'm very optimistic that we shall get fair judgment. I, Frank Mugisha, the Executive Director of Sexual Minorities Uganda, with my fellow human rights defenders, applied through Human Rights Awareness and Promotion Forum to Uganda Registration Service Bureau for the reservation of the company name Sexual Minorities Uganda. However, even after being tossed around for years, on the 9th of February 2015, we received a letter of refusal stating that the rejection by the Uganda Registration Bureau to register the proposed company on the grounds that the proposed company was to promote undesirable and would promote criminal acts under Section 145 of the Penal Code Act. Because the company proposed to be incorporated was advocates for the rights of and the well-being of lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, and intersex persons, which persons are labeled to engage in criminal acts under Section 145 of the Penal Code Act. The rejection by the URSB to reserve the name we applied for, and consequently the refusal to register Sexual Minorities Uganda, is a violation of our right to equal protection of the law, freedom from discrimination, freedom from expression, freedom of assembly, and freedom of association, protection of rights of minorities and civic rights, affirmative action in favor of marginalized groups, all guaranteed in the Bill of Rights in the Constitution of Uganda. So what do we want? We want the Uganda Registration Service Bureau to open avenues for organizations to operate in a legal environment without being harassed by law enforcement officers for non-compliance with the law. We demand that SMAG be registered in order to freely support lesbians, gay, bisexual, transgender, and intersex persons in Uganda, assemble and associate under a common umbrella, participate in peaceful activities, to influence government policies, especially with regard to the rights of sexual minorities and gender minorities.
The struggle to register sexual minorities in Uganda started way back in 2012, and the companies, the Uganda Registration Services Bureau. Now, the first step for you to register a company, you have to reserve the name. And when you go to a company and then the name is not reserved, then that means you can't proceed to the next step to register your organization. So in this case, Uganda Registration Services Bureau refused to reserve the name Sexual Minorities Uganda. Of course, to them they say it is undesirable. Of course, they quote Section 145 in the Penal Code, which of course talks about carnage against the order of nature, as their reason basically to refuse. Now, the objectives of SMAG do not in any way suggest that they are going to promote carnage against the order of nature. The objectives of SMAG are basically bringing forward the freedom of association, promoting human rights of LGBTI persons. It's basically not about promotion of carnage against the order of nature. It's an organization which is basically a guaranteed right from our constitution that people can form associations, that people can relate, people can express their views about how their rights are being violated. As Human Rights Awareness and Promotion Forum, we are concerned because we trust that the court we provide the solution that we need. That the registrar doesn't have a right to deny these people their registration, because by law, they're supposed to register and they have that right.